Hello everyone, welcome to LearningX. Today we are going to make a financial dashboard using Microsoft Excel. This dashboard will be based on the income statement of an organization. It's a must-check dashboard for finance and accounting background professionals. No VBA and macro has been used. Very simple method used so that beginners can do this. We have given the free file in the description box. Check that for practice. So let's enjoy the video. First of all, look at the data. Here we can see it's an income statement of an organization. The income statement showing data of 12 months respectively. We'll make a whole dashboard using or analyzing this income statement. We'll find out ROI and PM, ROA, quick ratio, income versus expense, income with target, expense with budget, and many other analyses for respective months, like for January, for May, and it will continue like this. So let's start. First of all, go to analysis and make a copy of this sheet. Then rename it with detailed report. Then create another sheet and rename that with dashboard. Now select the full sheet and change the color. Go to insert, illustration, and take this shape, drag it, then make it in correct position and with correct size. Decrease the sharpness of the shape and fill it with white color. And a shadow effect for outline, give a light color. Now make a copy of this and resize this and place it here. Decrease the sharpness, make another copy, again resize it and place it in the right corner. Then go to format, shape effect, shadow, and give a shadow. Now fill the shape with golden color. Do the same thing for this shape. Go to insert, go to illustration, shape, and insert this shape. Draw the sharpness. Go to format, shape effect, give a shadow effect. Go to format, shape, gradient fill, make it with the background color and give this pure white color, the middle one. Now it will give a glossy effect. For shape outline, give a light outline. Go to illustration and bring this shape. Make it golden color, no outline, and for effect, give a shadow effect. Now make it group. Make 4 copies of this, as we are going to make 4 donut charts. Now make 1 more copy of this and resize it. Then place it in the right down side. Our dashboard designing part is done. Now we'll go to our analysis part. For that we'll go to analyze. And we'll drag it down. I'll remove this. And I'll fill it with all borders. I'll give a color for better understanding. I'll go to insert. From controls, I'll select this one and I'll place it here. Now I want to show the months in this drop down list. For that I'll type January and I'll drag it till December. Basically I'm trying to find out this. Now I'll go to format control, I'll go to input range and I'll select this. For cell link I'll select this cell, I'll give it 3D shading and OK, and it's done. Now in drop down menu I've got my months. If I select March, you can see it's in 3. That means it's in the third row. August, it's in the 8th position. Now I want to input a formula where it will show the income of 2, that means the income of February, the cost of goods sold of February, and everything of February. When I'll select March, it will show all the information of that respective months. So type in index formula, select this area as array, then lock this cell by pressing F4 or by normally input $sign. Then for row number, type match formula, select this as lookup value, then select this area for lookup array and lock it. Then give exact match or type 0. For column number, select this cell that has been connected with these buttons and lock it, then press enter. Now if I click on April, you can see it's showing the income of April. Now I'll drag it down and it's done. Now I'll just change the percentage format for few cells. Now I'll type another formula, which is max formula. I'll select this row and I'll multiply it 125% or 1.25. Then I'll drag the formula till the last row. Now I'll change the format of the cells, which is in percentage form, and it's done. Now if I change the month, the whole data will be changed accordingly. Now select ROI, go to insert, donut chart. A chart will be created. Remove all the unnecessary parts, select the series, copy it and paste it instantly. Now select the first series for twice, give it a golden color fill. Do this for second series, give a black color fill, and again first series from the right side, give no fill, second series from the left side, give no fill. Now select the chart, give no fill and no outline. Select the format data series, give the donut hole size to 55% and make a copy of it, paste it in the dashboard, fit it in the shape. I should make it black color, fill with black, and this one with golden color fill. Now it's looking gorgeous. I'll go to insert, text box, and in text box link with the cell, which is the title, ROI, return on investment. Now make a copy of it and connect it with this cell. It's showing the percentage of the ROI. Now select both of them, change the font with Arial black, align it, give no outline, as well as give no fill to the text box. Increase the size of the percentage, and our first chart is done. Now I'll go to analyze. This time I want to create a chart for net profit margin. For this, we don't have to create a new chart. We'll just change the link. We'll select the series and we'll change the linking, and that's it. Now we'll select the second series. We'll make it with black color fill, and then the first series with golden color fill, and rest of the two I'll give no fill. I'll copy it and I'll paste it. I'll position it. I'll copy this two text box and I'll paste it here. Now I'll link it with the percentage of NPM. I'll type NPM, or I'll link it with net profit margin. I'll format paint. Our second chart is done. Now we'll create a third chart. We'll just change the linking from net profit margin to our ROA, return on asset. That's it. We don't have to create a new chart. I'll do the same thing as I did in the previous. I'll make a copy and I'll paste it in my dashboard. I'll also copy the text box. I'll paste it here. I'll link it with the percentage of ROA. And I'll also link the title name from the analysis sheet. I'll format paint it with the previous format. And we'll make our last donut chart, which is quick ratio. We'll do the same as like the previous. We'll give a black color fill for the first series, and for the second series we'll give a golden color fill, and rest of the two will be no fill. I'll make a copy of it and I'll paste it in my dashboard. I'll fit it. I'll copy the text box. I'll paste it here. I'll link it with quick ratio. Then I'll link the title name. I'll format it. Our donut chart is done now. Now I want to find out income versus expense. For that, I'll link income and I'll type income, and I'll link total expense. I'll insert and I'll select this one. I'll remove all the unnecessary parts from the chart. I'll go to format data level. I'll give values. For separator, I'll give a new line. I'll give golden color for this one. I'll give black color font. Material black. I'll fill it with black color, and I'll fill this one expense with golden color. Again, I'll go to data series. In number, I want to show it in million, so that I'll type 0.00 double comma, and in quotation I'll type million. I'll click it and it will show in million. Now I'll copy this and I'll paste it in my dashboard. I'll resize it to fit in the position. Now go to Analyze Sheet, link income, cost of goods sold, total expense, tax, and net profit, as we want to make a comparison between this. Now select all of this and drag it in the right. Now make a total of this. It's done. Now select income to total, go to insert and select this waterfall chart. Remove all the unnecessary parts from the chart. I'll go to format data level. I want to show it in million. For that I'll type 0.00 double comma for million, and in quotation I'll type million or only M. I'll give add and it's done. Now I'll remove this. I'll remove the chart title, grid lines, and I'll select set as total. I'll change the name of the total operating expense to total OE, and cost of goods sold to COGS, as it is taking too much space in chart. I'll copy this and I'll paste it in my dashboard. I'll fill it with black color and rest of the waterfall chart with golden color. I'll select the chart again. I'll bold it. Now select format. For chart, give no outline. That's done. Our waterfall chart is done. Now select income to net profit and select RARA with fill. Remove all the unnecessary parts from the chart. Make a copy of it. Give no fill and give a bold and black color font. Fill it with black color fill and also give a shadow effect. Copy this and paste it to dashboard. For outline, select black color, and for weight, increase the weight. For effect, give a shadow effect. Now resize it and fit it in the chart to make it look better. Go to insert, text box, place it here, make a copy of it. Now go to format, in shape fill, no fill. Now type income achieved versus target. Here type expense reached versus budget. Do the same thing, bold it, make it black color font and align it in center, or directly format paint it. For outline, give no outline. Do the same thing for this text box too. Now go to insert, illustration, and give this arrow a straight, make it black color and give a shadow effect. Now select this to text box, copy and paste it. Now link this income achieved versus target with this one, and expense list versus budget with this one. Give it Arial black font, and increase the size of the font. Format paint it, and that's done. Now I'll copy this, I'll paste it here, we have to link it once more as it's blank. Go to format control, I'll go to input range, and I'll select, and in cell link we'll link this one. So repeat those tasks that we have done earlier. And it's done. Now our dashboard is dynamic. Now I'll go to insert, I'll go to icons, I'll select this one, and this one, and click on insert. Place all the clippers in the bar menu. Now insert a text box, as we want to give title for this clipper. This is the cover page. I'll format it, I'll copy it, and I'll rename it to detailed report. And again copy this one and paste it here. Change the name dashboard. Now select the clipper and the text box and make it group. Do the same thing for rest of the clipper and text. Now go to detailed report and color these selected cells with golden color. And for income, go to conditional format in data bar, select this one. Here you can give anything as you like. Here I'm giving what I like. You can give as you wish, and you can also give your own rules in conditional formatting to make it better, to make it more beautiful. I'm giving here some icon sets in the conditional formatting. I'm just trying to represent the data in an attractive way. Insert a shape, and remove the grid lines. Resize the shape with the same width of the table. Format it with the theme color, and for outline give no outline. For effect give shadow effect. Now create another page named cover page. Now go to dashboard, link this first page with this cover page, detailed report, link it with detailed report, and for dashboard link it with dashboard. Now copy these three and paste it in detailed report. Place it in this menu. Resize it to fit in the menu. Now go to cover page, In cover page, I will insert this picture which already I have created in PowerPoint. You can create as you wish, and I've also given the PowerPoint file in the download link. You can check it from here. Now in view, the formula bar and headings, I'll fit it with my screen and I'll insert the shape. In format, I'll give this golden color fill and no outline. In shape effect, give shadow effect. Now copy these three clippers and paste it here and resize to make it fit. Now it's fully dynamic. If you click here, if you click those clippers, it will direct you on that respective page, and all the charts are dynamic. Our dashboard is done. If you have enjoyed the video, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and check our dashboard playlist for more attractive dashboard videos.